awesome. Welcome to Growing Guitar. We had TEMS here with Me and You, a great song here. So if you love this song and would like to try it out, then you are in the right channel here, Growing Guitar. So subscribe to this channel if you wish. It helps me a lot and gives me motivation to go on. Let's go on. So we'll start here with the capo set on the 3rd fret, all right? And we have 3 chords that goes around and around. So let's take a look at the chords needed here. So the first one is the C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the next chord, the E minor 7. So that is very easy. You have everything open here, open strings except from the 2nd A. Okay, so 2nd A and then all other strings are open. And then we have the final chord, the A minor 7, like this. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So the song goes in the order here. We learned the chords. So C major, E minor 7, and A minor 7. That's how it's done. We're gonna look at the melody first, very easy. So we take it chord by chord, starting with C major now. So you're gonna play like this. So that is 3rd on A, then open G, and then open B and open E together. And a pause. And then the next chord is the E minor 7. So you can just hold it like this. It's all open. So you start with the open E string, then open D, and then open G and open B together. And then the final chord, A minor 7, hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play. And even a longer break after that one. So you're gonna play open A, then 2nd D, and then open G and 1st B together. And like I say, a long break there. All right, so that's how we play the melody. It goes. And so on. All right, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern here using the chords. So we're gonna learn strumming with the C major. So grab that one. One strumming around will be down, down, up, clap, down. Fits the song very well, so it goes. So down, down, up, clap, down. Couple rounds of it. And so on. All right, so I'm gonna play 2 string rounds for the C major, 2 for the E minor, and 4 A minor 7s, like this. You got 2 rounds right there, and you're gonna do that from the beginning till the very end. Mix it up with some melody there, and that is TEMS, Me and You. So thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your support. Till next time, play tuned.